This is the community of American truck drivers. The videos we post here aim to help all the truck drivers. The semi-truck hit several vehicles before rolling over an embankment and landing in a small body of water, according to the South King Fire Department. The person was pinned upside down inside of the semi, and crews were able to free him from the metal. At least 4 people were injured, but the South King Fire Department says the injuries do not appear to be serious. The right lane eastbound on SR 18 was blocked and the on-ramp was closed for an extended period of time. Drivers were asked to avoid the area and expect heavy delays if they are already on the road. WSP said it appears that brake failure led to the crash.